I'll bring the box out and you're not. Actually, it's good when you is this? Because it's
Well, I'm not always going to
you
be in the
don't need
middle.
as many elbow spaces.
So you guys are our mixing board. If you want us like louder or less loud, you're going to have to tell us, okay? This is a song called "The Wabash Cannonball," and we like it.
Out from the wide Pacific to the broad Atlantic shores, she climbs that flowery mountain over the hills and by the shores. Although she's tall and handsome, she's known quite well by all. She's a regular combination on the Wabash Cannonball. Oh, the eastern states are dandy, so those western people say. Chicago and Rock Island, St. Louis by the way, to the lakes of Minnesota where the rippling waters fall. No chances to be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. Oh, listen to the jingle, the rumor and the roar, as she glides along the woodland over hills and by the shore. And she climbs that flowery mountain, hear the merry oboes wail, and she glides along the woodland, the Wabash Cannonball. And here's old Daddy Clayton, let his name forever be, and long will he be remembered in the courts of Tennessee. For he's a jolly good rounder, from the cabin round him falls, and he'll be carried back to victory in the Wabash Cannonball. So listen to the jingle, the rumor and the roar, as she rides along the woodland over hills and by the shore. And she climbs that flowery mountain at the Merrritt BC, and she glides along the woodland, the Wabash Cannonball. Hear that fiddle again. And here's old Daddy Clayton, let his name forever be. How long will he be remembered in the courts of Tennessee? For he's a jolly good rounder, till that curtain around him falls, and he'll be carried back to victory in the Wabash Cannonball. Fiddle again.
Okay.
I've rode that IC Limited, also the Royal Blue, across those eastern counties on Elkhorn #2. I've rode those highball trains, coast to coast, that's all, but I have found no equal to the Wabash Cannonball. So listen to the jingle, the rumor and the roar, as she rides along the woodland over hills and by the shore. Although she's tall and handsome, and she known my foil by all, she's a regular combination on the Wabash Cannonball. Take us out on that fiddle.
part. So when you go, here come the blues, there goes my heart. You told me once we'd never part, and you love me with all your heart. But now these words of love you're going to erase. You found somebody new who wants to take my place. There goes my heart breaking in two. There goes my eyes crying over you. My arms don't long for us to part. So when you go, here come the blues, there goes my heart. I'm standing on a bridge that's burned. It's just a lonely, lonely lesson learned. To see you walk away with him hurts me so. This fool who loves you doesn't want to let you go. There goes my heart breaking in two. There goes my eyes crying over you. My arms don't want for us to part. So when you go, here comes the blues, there goes my